Finding the right tennis shoe can make all the difference for comfort and performance on the court. In this guide, we'll reveal the best tennis shoe for flat feet, designed to offer superior arch support and lasting stability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Brooks Women's Ghost. The Brooks Women's Ghost is an excellent option for women seeking both comfort and stability, particularly for those with flat feet. Engineered with a high stack of nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 midsole cushioning, this shoe delivers a soft, plush feel underfoot while ensuring protective landings with every step. What sets the Ghost Max 2 apart is its certified PDAC A5500 diabetic shoe status and APMA seal of acceptance, signaling its reliability for sensitive and support-requiring feet. This shoe is also a certified carbon-neutral product, making it a responsible choice for eco-conscious shoppers. Its standout feature is the broad base that naturally stabilizes your foot without interfering with your stride, which is especially valuable for flat-footed runners and walkers. The raised sidewalls and unique linear last construction provide a secure, comfortably inclusive fit, accommodating a variety of foot shapes and orthotics with ease. For anyone who's experienced arch discomfort or instability, the Ghost Max 2's wide platform and structured support can make a noticeable difference. Another highlight is its glide roll rocker transition technology, which actively promotes smooth heel-to-toe transitions. This makes walking and running feel more effortless while reducing strain on the foot's soft tissues. It's an ideal shoe for runners aiming to stay within their habitual motion path, helping to lower the risk of injury. Beyond running, it's equally effective for walking or standing for long hours.
Number 2. Under Armour Men's Charged. The Under Armour Men's Charged running shoe is an impressive choice for men with flat feet who need a lightweight yet stable shoe for both athletic performance and everyday wear. Starting with its lightweight mesh upper featuring a sleek 3-color digital print, this shoe provides excellent breathability, keeping your feet cool and comfortable even during intense workouts or long runs. What makes it especially appealing for flat-footed individuals is its durable leather overlays, strategically placed to lock in your midfoot and offer vital stability. This design minimizes excessive inward foot rolling and helps maintain a neutral stride. Inside, the EVA sock liner ensures soft, step-in comfort, providing a cushioned feel from the very first wear without the usual break-in period. The star feature here is the charged cushioning midsole, made from compression-molded foam for superior responsiveness and durability. This midsole adapts well to various surfaces, offering solid energy return whether you're jogging on asphalt or working out at the gym. The shoe's offset of 10 mm is well balanced, making it suitable for both heel strikers and midfoot strikers. Another thoughtful addition is the solid rubber outsole that covers high-impact zones for added durability while keeping the overall shoe weight impressively low. This allows for a lightweight, responsive feel without sacrificing traction or grip. The balance of flexibility and support makes it ideal for running, walking, and even cross-training activities.
Number 3. New Balance Women's 608 V5. The New Balance Women's 608 V5 is a practical and comfortable choice for women with flat feet, designed to offer dependable support for daily activities, walking, and light exercise. With its classic sneaker silhouette, it balances athletic function with casual style, making it suitable for both fitness routines and everyday errands. One of the main highlights is the PUMA insert, providing long-lasting comfort and firm support throughout the foot. For flat-footed users, this ensures reliable arch support, reducing strain and promoting better foot alignment during extended wear. Complementing this is a lightweight, injection-molded EVA foam midsole that offers additional cushioning without adding unnecessary bulk. A thoughtful feature of the 608 V5 is its phantom liner interior, which minimizes seaming to reduce irritation, a common issue for those with sensitive or flat feet. This makes it ideal for people prone to blisters or discomfort from excess friction. Additionally, the internal midsole shank enhances midfoot structure and stability, reinforcing the arch area and preventing overpronation, which is especially important for flat-footed users.
Number 4. Brooks Men's Ghost 16. The Brooks Men's Ghost 16 continues the brand's legacy of producing well-cushioned, supportive running shoes suitable for various foot types, especially flat feet. Built for runners seeking a distraction-free, smooth ride, this model refines everything people loved about its predecessor, the Ghost 15, with improved fit and materials. At its core is the nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 cushioning, which offers a soft yet responsive feel underfoot. This midsole material is excellent for absorbing shock, while providing a gentle, even base, an essential feature for those with flat arches. The neutral support design is complemented by a segmented crash pad that promotes smooth transitions from landing to toe-off, ensuring every stride feels natural and effortless. A standout feature is its engineered air mesh upper, which combines stretch and structure to deliver targeted support while maintaining excellent breathability. The 3D Fit print technology offers a secure, seamless fit, reducing the risk of hot spots and pressure points that can irritate flat feet. This adaptive fit makes it a versatile option for long-distance running, daily walks, or cross-training. Brooks enhances durability and eco-responsibility with their new Road Tack rubber outsole, featuring recycled silica for added traction and rebound. This compound not only provides grip on varied surfaces, but also keeps the shoe lightweight and responsive. Certified as a PDAC A500 diabetic shoe and granted the APMA seal of acceptance, the Ghost 16 meets high standards for foot health and comfort. Its carbon-neutral status further boosts its appeal for eco-conscious runners.
Number 5. PUMA Women's Carina L Sneaker. The PUMA Women's Carina L sneaker fuses retro-inspired design with modern comfort features, making it an excellent casual option for women with flat feet. This shoe captures the laid-back style of California's beach towns while offering subtle support and cushioning for everyday wear. The standout feature is its enhanced platform sole, which offers a slight elevation while providing a broader, more stable base for the foot. This is particularly beneficial for flat-footed individuals, as it helps distribute weight more evenly and reduces pressure on the arch area. Constructed with a premium leather upper, the Carina L combines durability with a soft, comfortable feel. The upper adapts well to the shape of the foot, ensuring a snug fit without excessive tightness or restriction. Its timeless, minimalistic design with subtle PUMA branding ensures it pairs effortlessly with a variety of outfits, from jeans to casual dresses. While not built for intense athletic use, it includes adequate cushioning for daily walking and extended wear. The internal padding around the collar and tongue adds to its step-in comfort, making it a pleasant choice for those prone to foot fatigue. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.